miles to wind point, and near shore waters from wind point to Winthrop Harbor, Illinois, and Stevenson, Illinois. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for leaders' statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. This is the NOAA Weather Radio KEC 60 in Milwaukee. The National Weather Service in Milwaukee, Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Southeastern Green Lake County in south-central Wisconsin, Southeastern Columbia County in south-central Wisconsin, Northwestern Dodge County in southeastern Wisconsin until 8:15 p.m. At 7:25 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Cambria, or 10 miles northwest of Columbus, moving northeast at 30 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and dangerous situation. These storms are producing widespread wind damage across Lafayette County. Seek shelter now inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows.
You have read messages.